how to turn on mini player on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, let's dive right in. You can either open up a YouTube from a Google Chrome browser or from a YouTube app. So, I'm going to open it from my Google Chrome. Just open up youtube.com and then search for the video of your choice. So, just go ahead and tap on the video that you want to open on mini player, and then on the right hand side you will see theater mode. So go ahead and right click on it and you'll see the mini player icon. Just tap on it and that's it. This is how you turn on mini player on your laptop. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.